let's talk about some crappie tips right now. Right here I've got a 1/32 ounce jig head. I want to show you how to tie a simple loop knot. You're going to run your string through the eyelet there. Pull it up. Give yourself plenty of slack. Pinch them together. Make a circle around your fingers. Take that jig, drop that through that circle 3 times. There's your 3rd time. Okay. Wet your knot and just pull it. Okay. Now, what's going to happen? When you've got just a regular knot tied to this jig head, your jig's going to hang straight up and down like that in the water. With this loop knot, you have water pressure. That water pressure while it's in the water is going to bring the ass end of this bait up in the air. And it's going to swim like this naturally, which will let that tail and everything move. You're going to get a lot more strikes that way. It looks a lot more natural, and it'll swim a lot easier.